Module 2, Basics of Healthcare Data, Unveiling the Foundation. Types and Management of Healthcare Data. Chapter 2, Types of Healthcare Data, Structured versus Unstructured. Section 2.1, Understanding the Data Landscape. The world of healthcare is fueled by data, encompassing a rich tapestry of information that holds the potential to transform patient care. This chapter delves into the fundamental categorization of healthcare data, structured and unstructured, and elucidates their unique attributes and applications within the context of AI-driven healthcare. Section 2.2, Structured Data in Healthcare. Structured data forms the backbone of healthcare information systems, offering an organized and standardized format that is amenable to computational analysis. In this section, we delve into the intricacies of structured healthcare data and explore its significance in driving data-driven medical insights. Key explorations. Data characteristics. Unpacking the qualities that define structured data, such as clear organization, predefined categories, and consistent formats. Electronic health records, EHR, an in-depth exploration of EHRs as quintessential repositories of structured patient information, including demographics, medical history, diagnoses, treatments, and laboratory results. Clinical databases. Understanding the role of structured data in large-scale clinical databases, facilitating research, epidemiological studies, and evidence-based medical practices. Data utilization. Examining how structured data forms the basis for AI algorithms, predictive modeling, and clinical decision support systems, enhancing diagnostic accuracy and treatment precision. Section 2.3, Unstructured Data in Healthcare. Unstructured data, in contrast to its structured counterpart, comprises a vast collection of textual, visual, and auditory information. This section explores the intricacies of unstructured healthcare data and delves into the innovative AI-driven techniques used to derive meaningful insights from this data type. Key explorations. Data characteristics. Analyzing the diverse nature of unstructured data, including clinical notes, radiology reports, images, videos, and audio recordings. Medical imaging data. Investigating the wealth of insights locked within medical images, such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, and the pivotal role of AI in image recognition, segmentation, and disease detection. Natural language processing, NLP. Unveiling the potential of NLP in extracting valuable information from clinical notes, transcripts, and medical literature, enhancing diagnostic accuracy and aiding clinical research. Genomic data. Exploring the complexity of genomic sequences, and how AI techniques unravel genetic information, enabling personalized medicine, disease risk prediction, and drug development. Chapter 2 Conclusion. The data dichotomy. As we conclude this chapter, we recognize the symbiotic relationship between structured and unstructured healthcare data. Structured data provides a solid foundation, allowing for standardized analysis and efficient AI integration. Unstructured data, on the other hand, opens new frontiers of insights, made accessible through advanced AI technologies. Together, these data types form the bedrock of AI-driven healthcare, laying the groundwork for further exploration into the intricate intersections of data, technology, and medicine. In the upcoming chapter, we journey into the realm of AI-powered data processing, delving deeper into the methodologies and tools that enable us to harness the power of healthcare data for transformative outcomes. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.